Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer in Windows 11 machine. But before that, let me just give you a quick introduction about this tool. So Cisco Packet Tracer is a network simulation tool. It is developed by Cisco Systems. So with the help of this system, you can create, configure, troubleshoot virtual networks without needing any physical networking hardware. Okay, so now in order to download this tool, what you need to do, you need to just open the Google search bar or any search bar. So you will type download packet tracer and then you will go to this website. Okay, so now I will go to this website and then I'm going to log in into my account. So I will use the Google account in order to log in. So I will sign it using my Google account, Gmail account. Okay, then afterwards what I need to do is just click this download Cisco Packet Tracer 8.2.2. okay, and then afterwards I will go down and I will select my version. Since I'm using the Windows machine, so I will select this particular version. I will click this and it will start the download process. So it will take some time to complete. So I have already downloaded this file, the setup file in my system. So I will cancel this download. Okay, and let me just open the already downloaded file. Let me just click this file and then I'm going to click yes. After that I will accept the agreement and click next. This is where it will be installed and I will click next. Okay, click next. Yes, I want to create a desktop shortcut. Okay, click next. Install, and this is going to start the installation process. This will take some time to complete. Be patient. So we are done with the installation step. Now I'm going to click finish and after that it will automatically launch Cisco Packet Tracer. Click finish and it will launch this tool. Okay, would you like to run multi-user when application starts? I will click yes. Okay, it has been started. Okay, after that let me just click skills for all and it is going to open the page. Okay, you have successfully logged in into Cisco Packet Tracer. You may close the tab. Let me just close this tab and look. So I hope you have gone through the process of installing this tool. In the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.